Hello students, I'm teaching you Python. In this video, I'll teach you some programs written in Python. So here are some programs. These are the programs. I'm writing some solution for you out of these programs and you will write rest of the programs. And if you are facing any problem, you can ask me telephonically. I'll give you solution. So here I begin.
This is Python shell. From file, new file, you open a new file, and I'm writing one program for you. Write a program to input three numbers from users and print the sum. This is comment. A is equal to input, enter first number. B is equal to int input, enter second number. Now in these two lines, this int is converting the input taken by the user into integers, and this also, whatever the input given by the user will come in the string form and it will be converted into integer, and I will assign it in B, third integer. So three numbers are taken from users and we will calculate sum of three numbers. Then we will print the answer. The sum which is calculated a plus b plus c in S, I'm printing that number. Save it and run the program. Press F5 to run the program. Suppose the first number is 12, second number is 34, third number is 67. The sum is 113. We can run the program again. Press F5 again on this window. First number is suppose 123, second number 450, and third number is suppose 650. The sum is 1223. In this way we will write more programs. See, one more program I'm writing for you. This is again Python shell. You can open it, file, new, a new file to write the program. This program is write a program to input radius of a circle and print area and circumference. So I already told you whatever is written in triple quotes is comment. So this question is written in comments. Compiler will not read it. It is for programmers help only. Here R is for radius, float, input, enter radius. So this float is converting the string into float. Input will give us a string which will be converted in float and it will be assigned in R. R is a variable. Area is equal to pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7. R square is R into R. And circumference is 2 pi r. So on the basis of formula I have written these two expressions. Now I am printing area and circumference. Area is equal to area and circumference is circumference. These variables I am printing. Save it and run the program. Enter radius of the circle. Suppose I am entering 7. Area is 154 and circumference is 44. We can run the program again. Say I'm running this program again for you. We can take some float value, say 4.9. Now here area is 75.46 and circumference is 30.80. In this way we can run many programs.
On the basis of this video, I have given you many questions, solved and unsolved programs. So you can solve unsolved program, and if you are facing any problem, you can ask me telephonically. In the next video, I'll teach you some more concepts and I'll keep giving you solved and unsolved programs also. Thank you.